Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hello my lovely and beautiful nail friends, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are going to do a dip powder set, step by step, showing you how to use this. You don't need a lamp at all or anything. So we are going to take these off, and you can see I have quite some grow out. So I'm gonna use my dust collector I got from Aliexpress and my beautiful Belle efile, but I will take them off camera. I will take this one off as well and make it the same length as the rest of these, and maybe we are going to do some extra 3D art because I really like the look of it. So we are going to leave these press-on nails on my nail, and we're gonna do the infill with dip powder. I want to show you how easy it is and the fact you don't need a lamp to make your nails look pretty. So I didn't put top coat on these while I was stamping because I want to do another design on these babies right here. So I wait to for the stamper to get off, and otherwise I will take it off for a nice design on here, but I'm not sure what I want to do on these. But for now we are going to take these off, and then I will be right back. So you saw a little part of me filing off some of my nails, and you saw that the e-file that I used did an amazing job. It filed through dipping powder, just gel polish, 3D gel, and builder gel, so it works perfectly. And also the dust collector, you can see how much dust is in here, so it does its job perfectly. So for now we are going to do our dipping powder set. And I filed my nails in shape, and I do want to use my dehydrator and prep before I'm gonna do anything on my nails. So let me see where I put that baby. So I'm using my Nails acid-free primer, and we are going to use just a basic nude color on my nails because I want to do some flowers in beautiful pink, and this is the pink we are going to use to make those flowers. And the dip powder system comes with 4 bottles. So you have number 1, that is your base. You have number 2, that is the activator. Number 3, that's the top coat. And number 4 is the brush saver. So we are going to use a nude color. Just let me grab just this one. No, maybe a lighter one. I think we are going to use this one. And this is A005, and the thing you want to do, look at that color, beautiful. We are going to grab a little brush, and we are going to start with number 1 dip powder, and you want to put that a little bit aside because I'm always flipping them over. So we are going to put a layer of base coat on. And you can sprinkle it on or just dip your nail in here. Just tap the excess off, let it dry a little bit, and we are going to nail number 2 in the meantime. Dip this one in, tap a little bit. I'm gonna go in a little bit closer. And then you're gonna take your little brush and take the excess off of the sides. And before you go in with layer number 2, you want to get your brush and take the excess off because you don't want any of this dust in your brush, because your brush will harden and then you will be needing your brush saver. And there's a little spark in here, so really, really cute. So a little tap. And you want to leave this to dry in between layers because this will air dry and there's no lamp needed. So I'm gently gonna feel, take my brush, take the excess off, and then we are going in with layer number 2. And layer number 2, because this is an infill, I'm leaving a little part right here for the apex, and the last layer I will put all the way to the cuticle area. And look at the color. I love this color, and there's a little bit of spark in there. Really almost forgot this step. Really important step. And you can see the color more and more when you apply multiple layers, and I like to use 3 layers with dip powder for the best result. And you want to watch out with your skin because this is just glue, and if you have sensitive skin there is a chance you get an allergic reaction to this system, so you want to be careful there. And look at that. And this is how quick it is. We are almost ready for part number 3 or layer number 3, and then you're gonna put your activator on so it will harden, and that is a step you want to let dry completely as well. And then it's hard enough, you can tap on it like this, you will hear really dull, but if you put activator on it will harden completely and you will hear the same sound when you tap acrylic. Now I always use the last layer to see if I missed any spots. It's really important that you don't forget to brush off any excess if you want to save your brush. So we're gonna put these safe away before I bump them over. What happened the same with my Aliexpress dipping powders with the black one. Look at that color, little spark in there, really pretty. So we are going to let this dry for a little bit before we are going to put activator on. And when we put activator on, you can tap on your nails to see if it's completely hardened, and then you're gonna file them in shape, and then you're gonna use step 3. And step 3 is the top coat, and the top coat is just the same as a base coat. It's just a kind of glue, and it air dries as well. You can also choose to use gel top coat, but I'm gonna use the complete system in this case, so you can see how easy you can do your nails. Just some tips, dip powders, infill everything, and if you wanna, before you go out on a date or anything and you want to do your nails, it's there. It's so easy, so freaking cute. So now we are going to use dip powder activator, step number 2. And try to get every little piece of the nail Otherwise, if you miss a part of the nail, and that is what I did on this hand, it's still soft, and with filing, let me see here, if you focus, you will file it off. And it does take some time to dry, but it's so freaking easy. Sorry, got a small phone call in between, but it was really short. So now we wait for this to dry, and you will hear it's not dry. It sounds dull, but it doesn't take long for it to dry, and then you can file them with your hand file. Really, really easy. So I put an extra layer of activator on, and you will feel some cold going through your nails, so that I made sure every layer will dry completely. So we are going to wait till it completely dries, and then we are going to file them in shape. So I think they are ready. I already did my pinky. So we are going to file the sides into shape, the front, and then we are going to smooth out the top of the nails. So I will be right back when I done my filing, and then we are going to top coat these and create some beautiful flowers on here. We'll be right back. So I filed them in shape, and after filing I put another layer of activator on just to make sure it's completely hardened, and you will hear perfect. So the last thing you want to do is put your dip powder top coat on, and this is just kind of gluey, and this will air dry. So we are going to put a layer on the nails, let it air dry, and then we are going to put our flowers on and see if it will work on a shiny top coat and if the flowers will stay on. And look how pretty they are. So we need to leave this to dry. So what you want to do with this 3D gel, you want to create little balls for the flowers, and you want some alcohol and a silicone tool, and this is the tool you use to make your flowers. So you dip your tool into the alcohol and then create little petals for your flowers. So we are going to try this and see if I still know how to work it. So you put your little ball on, let it on this side, pat it back, and put down the sides. So you wanna put your nails in the lamp with this gel, and also I put some No White Drill gel top coat I got from Danielle, and put some beads in the middle of the little flowers. I saw that the color isn't that bright, so they won't be popping out of my nail that much, but I will do another color maybe in the next video or on this hand, because I really like using the 3D nail art. I really love working with them. So the last thing we are going to do is put some cuticle oil on these nails, and then we are going to see the end result of my creation today. So if you want your nails done really nice, really quick, just for a night out or anything, and you don't have a nail lamp or anything, a dip powder is really nice for you to work with. It's so easy and so quick, and you can do all different kind of designs with them, and they are in all different colors. You can do nude, but you can also do crazy colors if you like. So here are my nails done with dipping powder and just some small cute pink flowers on there with beads. So please let me know what do you think of the design I did right here, if you like it, and if you like using dip powder as well. So for this video, this was everything, and I really hope I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to